how to speed up your Windows PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you frustrated with your Windows PC running slow, especially when navigating through menus? Well, I've got a quick fix for you using just one simple command. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up your computer by reducing the menu delay. Let's dive right in. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open up the Run dialog box. In this box, type regedit and hit Enter. This opens the Windows Registry Editor, where we'll make the change. Navigate to the menu delay setting. Now in the Registry Editor, we need to navigate to a specific location. On the left-hand side, click through these folders in this exact order. HKey _ current _ user, then Control Panel, and then Desktop. Once you're inside the Desktop folder, scroll down until you see an option called Menu Show Delay. This is the setting that controls how long Windows waits before showing you a menu. By default, this value is set to 400 milliseconds, which is what causes that little delay when you right-click or open menus. To speed things up, double-click on Menu Show Delay and change the value from 400 to 0. Setting it to 0 removes the delay completely, making your system feel much faster when navigating menus. After you change the value, click OK. Now to apply the change, all you need to do is restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, you'll notice that menus and right-clicks open instantly without any delay. One thing to note is that you're directly editing the Windows registry, so be sure to follow the steps carefully. And don't worry, changing the menu show delay won't cause any issues. This is a safe tweak to speed up your Windows experience. And that's it. By just changing one simple setting, you can drastically improve your Windows PC's performance, especially when navigating through menus. Try it out and let me know how much faster your PC feels after this tweak.